Sorry I look like a mess. Like, this is literally me out the shower. My face looks gross. I'm breaking out so bad, you can tell what certain type of love you gave me to return with the Maybelline concealer in shade 25 medium. I honestly don't have a favorite concealer. I just bought this and I deal with it. I don't know if it works. I'm hoping it works. I just use it because I know that's the next thing to do. I don't know about makeup. I used to know so much about makeup. Like, I would post makeup videos all the time, if you guys know or remember. But now, like, I'll do the simples. I don't even wear I don't even wear eyeshadow anymore. There's Baby Max. Let me be the one to show you love. Just okay, now CoverGirl Clean and Glow bronzer. I don't contour. I don't really contour because I feel like bronzer does the same thing that contour would do. And I just use the Wet n Wild bronzer brush. And I start off by doing my cheekbones. I'll go back and blend that out. At first I just like putting like the bronzer where I'm gonna wear it, which is my two cheekbones, so like it makes my face look like this, you know, which is like better, I feel like it. I'll go in with my airspun. Thought it was airspun. I think this powder is really good, to be honest. Just that the first time I used it, I didn't know how to use it properly, and like when I took pictures, because I used it for homecoming the first time, and there was like, I forgot what they're called, like it takes a picture with the flash and then it's all white. It was really bad. I learned my lesson. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. blush palette, and I usually use these two colors, the lightest one and like the pinkish, and like this is so pigmented. When I tell you it's pigmented, like you literally just want to touch a really small dab on it, especially on the very pink one, just a little bit. So now I usually just go in with this mascara. It's the Princess Lash one. It's the green one. I forgot. I think it was like Volume or something like that. And then, but like it barely has any in it. So I've been using the Maybelline Rocket Volume Express like as a second coat, which is like helping a lot. Not enough, I love you. She ain't really had real love in her life, and she feel like she might just lose. She don't know what's. Now I'm gonna go in with my all-time favorite highlighter. As you can tell, my eyelashes. Yeah, I told you guys I go real with that. In my mouth. I'm gonna use a wet. I've been using Wet n Wild brush just in case, if you want to know. So now I'm just gonna do my hair. I think I'm gonna use I'm gonna do like waves, but I'm gonna use the straightener, not the curler, because I don't want it too curly. Like I just want like some cute little like loose curls, you know? Like
It's free of these races. Who are you to judge a person by their color of skin? How hard heart, is it just a smile and treat each other as kin? I wear
So these are my curls. Obviously they're so tight, but like I did them tight kind of on purpose because I want them to like, because I'm like going out later tonight, and like they're obviously gonna get loose, like they're gonna go down, and like I knew if I put them loose they were gonna go even more loose, so like tight and then they'll go loose to how I want them later. So right now I'm gonna put my outfit on and I'll show you guys how it looks. They look so ugly right now. I can't wait to look at them. So I forgot to say what I was gonna wear. 21. It's just a black, it's a bodysuit actually. They're joggers, yeah. They're a size small. They're from Hollister and they're the ultra high-rise joggers. This is a total fit, and I'm wearing these earrings. They're just crosses. They're plain and simple, and then my necklace that I said that says my name on it. Black top. I'm just wearing some things. My mom's probably gonna tell me to take these off because she thinks that bracelets look so ugly. But I like them. And then I'm probably gonna put my watch on. And then these are just the pants. So yeah, I'm just gonna do like a little quick photo shoot, you know?
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your